In this video, I'm going to show you how I set up my Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 audio interface with my mixer and connect to MacBook Pro using Logic Pro to record a song. Okay, so here I have my Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 audio interface. And as you can see in the front, there are two input. And then here is the volume control for the speaker monitor. So what you need to do is to get a 2/4 inch cable. One end you need to plug it in here. And another one, we put in here. And on this end, what you will do is to plug in to the mixer. And I have an Alto ZMX 122FX mixer here. And right now, on the main mix here, I have my speaker plugged in, my Harbinger 15-inch right here, 15-inch speakers. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug this one, which is the speaker right now, and these two will go to the back side of Focusrite audio interface. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to plug these two here. Okay. Okay, so now you see the speaker wire, the 1/4 inch plug into the back side of the Focusrite audio interface, and the front you will plug into a 1/4 inch cable. And on this side of the 1/4 inch cable, what you do is to plug in to this where the speaker is supposed to go, because remember earlier I unplugged it. So what you do is you plug this one in, and the other one plug this one in. Okay, so this is how you connect Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 audio interface into the Alto ZMX 122FX mixer. Okay, and then you can see right here I have, this is an 8 channels mixer. On my channel 1, channel 2, and channel 3, where I have my microphone plugged in. So yeah, oh, and then on the Focusrite here, you will see you need to input the USB port, this one, which is, I'm going to get it. Okay, it's like this. Okay, it's a USB plug. Okay, one end, this end, you plug into the back of the Focusrite. Okay, which I'm going to plug it in here. Okay, and the other end here, you will plug into the MacBook. I'm going to grab my Mac. And what you do is to, this end plug into the MacBook Pro. Plug it in so you can start recording. And I'm going to log into my computer So I can show you real quick. Okay, and now I'm going to open up my Logic Pro here. And first of all, you want to make sure when you open Logic Pro, you want to go to Preferences. Go to Preferences and go to Audio. Okay, and in your audio, you want to make sure output device and input device both set to Scarlett 2i2 USB. Okay, once you have these set up, which is right here, then you can exit out the preferences window. Okay, and if you want to record, what you do is to do File, New. Okay, I'm going to close this track here. Okay, so don't save. Okay, and right here, the next screen, you will select Audio and click on Create, and then you have an audio track, and then you can start recording. So this is how I set up this Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 with my speaker. Connect this audio device with my speaker into my mixer, and using the USB port to record any singing. And this is the reason I want to set up this way, because my karaoke machine, which is I'm using right here, Best Media BM2000, this is my karaoke machine, and that's where the audio source coming from, and that's the purpose I got Focusrite, so I can connect this audio interface with my MacBook Pro, so when I record any songs, I can edit it in Logic Pro, so to enhance or make any editing. Okay, so thank you for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.